Hey everyone, welcome back to the 21 days Python challenge. So in today's video we are going to learn about conditional statement in Python. So now what are the conditional statements? So for these, think about your daily life. If it's raining, you carry an umbrella. If you are hungry, you eat food. If it's your birthday, you celebrate. Notice one thing about this. So every action depends on a condition. The same concept exists in Python as well, using if, else and elif conditions. So let's understand each one with examples. So the first will be the if statement. So the if statements executes a block of code only when the condition is true. So it executes the block of code only when the condition is true. Otherwise it won't execute. So for example, we will take one code, like if I am giving variable as age equal to 20. So now I am writing one condition: if age is greater than equal to 18, then you are eligible to vote. If your age is above 18, then the print statement should print you are eligible to vote. So let's run this code. We have given age is equal to 20. So let's see if age is greater than equal to 18. So you are eligible to vote. Okay, we are getting one error. So we need to add colon after age equal to 18. Okay, these are some important indentations in Python which we need to take care of. Now if we run the code, we can see you are eligible to vote. We are getting print statement as you are eligible to vote. So if the condition is false, it won't get any printed. Like if I give if age is equal to 16, like if I keep variable as age is equal to 16, and in condition if it is giving us if age is greater than equal to 18, then only print you are eligible to vote. Otherwise it should print like it should give an empty only, like the condition is not getting satisfied. And if I give age as 20, which is above 18, more than 18, then it is giving you are eligible to vote. So this is one example of an if statement. So the second is if else statement. So if you want Python to do something when the condition is false, so that's where else condition comes in, right? So if we want, the comment is, if we want to do something when the condition is false, so that's where else comes in. So for example, we will take the same code again, like if age is equal to 16, and writing condition if age is greater than equal to 18, colon, then print you are eligible to vote. Else we can write one condition as else. Instead of last time we were getting output as the empty, so now we will be printing in else statement as if the age is less than 18, then you are not eligible to vote. So in else condition it will go as you are not eligible to vote. So here you can see we have given age is equal to 16, and we have written condition if age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, then only print you are eligible to vote, else print you are not eligible to vote. So let's run this code. Okay, we are getting the first output as well. Let me comment out this code, the one which we write, like which we wrote for else statement. So I have removed that code. Now let's run the code again. See, we can see you are not eligible to vote. Output is you are not eligible to vote because age is equal to 16. Now similarly, let's see one more condition, that is elif statement. So sometimes we have multiple conditions to check, so that's where elif which means else if is useful. Okay, so I will explain this in like using one example of an code. So here I am giving as marks equal to 85. Now I will be writing condition if marks is greater than equal to 90, then print grade A. Now in this only we will write one more condition like elif. We will use elif condition now. Elif marks is greater than equal to 75, then print grade B. Similarly, we can write one more condition with the elif condition. So elif marks is greater than equal to 50. We can print and give it as grade C. Otherwise, we can write else condition. Else for fail statement. So if it is not even grade C, then directly go to the else condition and print as fail. So we have given input as marks is equal to 85. So it should be in between 90 to 75. So grade should come as B in output. So let's run this code and check. Yeah, so the output is getting as grade B. So Python checks the condition from top to bottom and executes the first matching condition. So once it finds a match, it skips the remaining condition. So this was about elif condition. Now there is one more condition, that is nested if. Nested if condition. So nested if condition is an if statement which can also be written inside another if statement. So this is called as a nested if. Like I will write it, if statement can also be written inside another if. So this is called as the nested if. For example, we will take one code that is age equal to 22, has license equal to true. We will keep this value in a boolean as true. So if age is greater than equal to 18 colon, if has license, we will write one more if statement inside the if condition, like if has a license, then print you can drive. And inside this else if only we can write else condition. If he is below age 18, then he should get a messages get a driving license first. Okay, somewhat this type of message you should get. Otherwise, in else condition, yeah. So the above else condition we will be using, like if he does not have the license, so he will get a messages get a driving license. But if his age is below the 18, like if his age is 16, then in this case we will be using this outer else condition. So that will be you are underage. Okay, I will explain this once again. I am taking input as age is equal to 22 and I am keeping one variable as license is equal to true. So in first condition, if age is greater than equal to 18, so I am writing one more if condition, if he has the license or not. So that we need to check if his age is greater than 18 and if he has a license. If he has a license, print as you can drive. Else if he does not have the license, then it will go inside the else condition and print get a driving license first. And the another else statement which we are writing outside this, the second if statement, that is the else statement, that is for if the age is less than 18, it will directly go inside this else statement and it will execute and print you are under age. So for now we have given age is equal to 22. So once we run this code, it will give output as you can drive because his age is 22. But if we are giving age as 16, it will give it as you are under age. Okay, so this is nested if condition. we have one more if condition, that is the shorthand. We remove this code. One more if condition, that is the shorthand if condition. So this is also one of the important. If you have only one statement, so Python allows you to write it in a single line. So if age is equal to 20, so we have only one if statement here. If age is greater than equal to 18, colon, print, we can give colon and we can write in one line only, like you are eligible to vote. Let's see if this out, we are getting the output. Yeah, you are eligible to vote is getting printed. So this is the shorthand if. So understanding the indentation is one of the important part, like where we need to use colon, then where we should add the print statement. So these are some important indentation parts. Like unlike many programming languages, Python uses indentation spaces to define block of code. So you might get an indentation error if print statement isn't properly indented, or any other spaces you have not properly given. So these issues may arise. So we will take some interview questions now. So first question is like, what is the difference between if, elif and else? So difference between if, elif and else. So the difference is if checks the first conditions, then elif checks additional conditions if the previous ones are false. It checks additional conditions if previous is false. And else runs when none of the condition is true. So this is the difference between if, elif and else. So we do have one more interview question, like, can we write an if statement without else? So yes, the else block is optional. If the condition is false, Python simply skips the if block. The third question is like, can we have multiple elif statements? So yeah, we can have as many as elif statements as needed. So these are a few important questions for else if conditions, which might be asked in the interview questions. Yeah, thank you.